How to change country on YouTube account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your country on YouTube. So by updating your location settings, you can personalize your experience and access content from different regions. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you will be prompted to your settings section. Now from here, simply tap on the option labeled as General. And now in this section, simply scroll down and select location. And from the pop-up menu, simply choose your preferred country from your list and YouTube will update your settings instantly. And that's it. That's how you can change your country on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.